Hi, I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. This is a 1985 Honda CRX Mark I 1.5 injection. Very rare car, there's hardly any of these left. This one's even more special because it's only got 50,000 miles on it. It had one long-term lady owner, was then taken over by our nephew, who kept up the maintenance and the testing every year. It was sold new in England before it came over here, and I've been enjoying it for the last year. It's time now to find a new home. Come on, I'll show you around. Hard to believe this car is 36 years old. Even the styling looks a lot fresher than that. Really good condition throughout. Very straight panel work. Very attractive car. Nice set of alloy wheels. Good tyres on it. Recent MCT for 2 years. A really fabulous retro car. Looking around the interior, we'll start in the rear. The tools, the jack, spare wheel are all present. Tiny back seat in this. Moving into the front part, much more spacious here. Door panels are good condition. Really original, this car. Seats are in good condition as well. Passenger seat, good firm bolsters. And the driver's seat also has good bolsters, unworn. 5-speed gearbox. Original radio cassette. Period Honda steering wheel. Electric sunroof, that's about the only feature on this car. Everything else is manual. Wind up windows, manual locks. Really clean, look at these door shuts. All the stickers still here. The driver's door card really clean as well. And the engine bay likewise very clean and original throughout. Fuel injection engine. And you see under the bonnet original stickers here as well. Great service history with this car. The original handbooks here, all the old tax discs. Original brochure from Honda. All the old NCTs. And lots of invoices. One long-term lady owner, brought it to our garage every year. Whatever needed she got done, then she got the MOT done. Car passed on to our nephew, and he kept up everything. Recent timing belt, and here's the original purchase invoice. Come on, I'll take you for a spin. These cars are such fun to drive. It's probably the reason I've held on to it for so long. Very basic, straightforward cars. There's wind-up windows, no central locking, anything like that, but it does have an electric sunroof. However, this car is all about the engine and the chassis. Very buzzy engine, 5-speed gearbox, all gears are working perfect. Brakes smartly. It's really stepping back in time driving this car. Serious fun. Handles like a go-kart. And it's in just such fabulous condition. Everything's working, except actually for the digital clock, which does work but just doesn't keep the correct time. It has the original national radio CD, or sorry, not a CD, cassette player.
World famous Goldie cider.
Again, working fine. This has to be one of the best one of these that you can find anywhere. Really rare car. The next owner is going to have a lot of fun with it. Price is 11,950. Qualifies for the €56 road tax. Classic insurance around €200. Check out my 5-star rating on TRUSTPILOT. If you wish to purchase this car, please contact me now. Viewings are by appointment only. If you are concerned about travelling to view, we can offer free delivery nationwide to your door.